In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of Google Play Store freezing, not opening or not working. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel as it really helps me a lot. Step 1. Restart your phone. The very first thing I recommend doing is restarting your phone. It's super easy to do on an Android phone. Just swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick menu, then tap on the power icon in the top or bottom right corner. After that, select the restart option and confirm it. Your phone will automatically restart, and this fixes many minor issues related to the phone cache. Step 2. Clearing cache and data. If the Play Store is still giving you trouble even after a restart, head over to your phone settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. In the apps menu, use the search bar at the top and type Google Play Store. Once you found them, tap to open it. Then scroll down again and tap on storage. In the storage menu, here you can see the two options, clear cache and clear data. Tap on the both option one by one to clear them. After that, reopen the Google Play Store and check it work. If your problem is still, don't worry, follow the next step. Step 3. Uninstall update. If the Play Store is still won't open or work, go back to that same app info page for Google Play Store and tap on the three dots or line in the top right corner. Then select uninstall update and confirm it. This will remove recent updates and revert the app back to its factory version. Sometimes glitchy update cause Play Store issue. It will automatically update itself again later, but for now you will be able to use the Play Store. Now open the Google Play Store again and check it, this time it works. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.